5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
EcoBot crypto project. EcoBot is the climate change governance token powered by green energy. EcoBot is the first governance token backed by green power and income generation assets dedicated to increasing token value and delivering social impact. Guys, here you can discover more about their project, and from here you can pre-register for token sale, I guess. Email, Ethereum wallet and the amount. And guys, the EcoBot governance token. The EcoBot token derives its core value from physical revenue generating renewable energy assets. Guys, this is the features of this project: proof of stake token issuance, asset backed value, utility. Guys, EcoBot token offering is live. The EcoBot token will be offered via Tokenomics powered EcoBot platform and will be later available at selected exchange. Right now they are offering token, and later they will be provide for trading on different exchanges. Token mining requires a 1-to-1 ratio of one token being backed by 1 watt of power. This one token will be backed by 1 watt of power. Here you can see their tutorial which will come very soon, and from here you can check their team. Thomas Puskas is the managing director, founder, and Paul Phelan, chief executive and co-founder. And guys, from here you can check their partners, which is very big. As you know that Polka Ventures is very big partner, and Reese.org, Cointelegraph, Tokeny Solutions and PwC. Here they are running a airdrop campaign worth this amount, and you can participate if you want. Earn more tokens by telling the world about the climate change governance token by sharing news and updates from their social media handles. And from here you can pre-register for their sale, as I already mentioned in the video. And guys, as you can see, this particular project is already in some news like Yahoo Finance Insider, Season, Cointelegraph, Renewable Now, and guys, from here you can read more their project, and you can also follow them on social media, Twitter, Facebook and Telegram. And from here you can subscribe their newsletter for their latest update about this particular project. So guys, that was the video about EcoBot crypto project. I hope you will like it. Thanks.